party fam? It's your girl Kiki, owner of KIKI'S Decor. If you don't already know, honey, if you don't know, we're an event decorated business and a shop here to show you how to have less stress and more time to impress. So in today's video, we're learning how to sew. Again, for Christmas, we're doing DIY projects for our whole family just to see what I can do, what I can learn, just, you know, broaden my craft. Perfect. Today we are doing the coin pouches. Now, I tried 2 different coin pouches, regular size, and then I also did the boxy coin pouch. We gotta keep going. So today we're gonna try to do a different way. The biggest thing I have trouble with is the zipper, sealing it up. So I just need to learn how to do that. That's what we're going to do today. It's a little fun project that I'm doing, but hopefully it helps you too. So if this is something that you like to watch and enjoy, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos like these. Raise it. We turned it. 90 degrees. Going to move that tape. Move that tape to the side. Drop my presser foot again. Drop it again. Parallel to the turned. Zip your teeth perpendicular to. Y'all, we're getting started a little late, but it's okay. We're gonna just, you know, give it an hour to like at least prep, and then probably throughout the day I'll be working on this next gift or project. So yesterday I did say project. They are projects to me because I am learning how to sew. Learning how to sew part 2. It's going to be a lot of different gifts that I'll be making in this video. So the one that I showed you yesterday, I made a coin pouch. It's actually not that bad. This is the top. This is the bottom. So the main thing I need to learn is making sure you don't see those, maybe here as well, and then on the inside, that part there as well. But compared to this one here, you can see that it would have been so cute too. I love this color, I love this pattern, this design. And then, oh my god, what is that? This one here was actually my second one, and it wasn't. God. What is that? It's not the worst, but again, just need to work on that part there. And then this one, I really needed to work on the zipper, which is why I went this route here, which I love. I absolutely love this route. Now I'm gonna try different other things. This is probably just going to be part of the video or the countdown just because it doesn't look that bad. But I am not gifting this in particular. I just want to go ahead and work on the other projects or other gifts and just get started on those. So I do have a list of gifts that I am working on, but just to start, for the sake of the video and then the sake of the series, I'm just doing one of each just to make sure I can do it. And it's something that I want to gift, because if it's not something I want to gift, then it's something that I really need to practice a little bit more, such as these coin pouches. We'll see along the way. Today, we are going to work on the keychain wristlets. The next thing is the tissue holders. I want to use all of the fabric that I already have, but I also did buy a certain amount of fabric and materials that I needed for all of the gifts that's on my list. So I don't want to keep, buying more things when I don't need to. So I'm just going to keep using the stuff that I have. So I may just do that. I'm going to do that a little bit later just because it's 10:48 and I might be heading out like around 12 or so. So that gives me enough time to at least prep these keychain wristlets. Good morning, guys. Good morning, family. I didn't finish the keychain wristlets, so I'm doing a few today. But I also realized that I needed more bobbins. So yesterday I bought. So I don't want to keep, buying more things. And they're coming in today. While I'm waiting for that to come in, I'm going to finish this one up. I have a lot more to do, but it's okay. That's why I'm a little irritated, because we're having a Christmas party next week and I still have a lot of more gifts that I have to prepare for. And mind you, these are also projects, so I'm learning. So if it goes wrong, it's also frustrating. Let's stop the rambling and get back to work. Because I was tired.